What's up, guys? This is the Ghost Gamer from Xbox, and I'm back with some more Skyblock. Yeah. So what we did last episode is that we came here and did this farm, a proper farm, not a bad farm like the other one we had. A better farm. Yeah. So now I just want to make all the melons grow. So we can put this here, and this melon will come here. We can put, and this one will come here, and we are okay. Now here we have some trees, and I made a platform for zombies to spawn. Now I need some more cobblestone because we need to make it like a square or something like that. So let's mine it, yeah, mine it, yeah, mine it. I love this cobblestone generator. It's so good. I really like it. The bad thing is that it always goes to lava. Well, it doesn't always go to lava, but sometimes it goes to lava, and it's kind of annoying. Okay, how many do we have? 14. Let's get more. Okay, now before I start every episode now, I will get some cobblestone to make our works and stuff. We'll just get cobblestone until my pickaxe is broke, which is not so much, so that's okay. I'll just keep going, and it broke. So now let's put cobblestone that's on here, and as you see, I got a lot of melons from the new farm. Yeah. Okay. And look how many we got right now. 28. Oh. Yeah. We got a lot of melons. I love melons. Yay, good. Whoa, I fall. I love this water. It just protects me so much from falling and dying. Okay, so let's get some cobblestone. Oh, that's a bad idea. Whoa! It's kind of small, but it's okay because I don't care how big it is. So let's make the walls here. Yo, that was a bad thing. I almost fell, and that would have been awful because I like Skyblock and I don't want to fall in it because that's bad. But when I fall or I die in Skyblock, I'll just come back up. I don't care. Okay, we have cactuses, and we have more there. Yo! No! I'm always falling in this place. I don't get over the fact that it's on the sky. Oh. Okay. Thank you. For me, not for you. for the fact that maybe I fall all the time because I'm always jumping here. I like jumping in here. We'll get some wood to finish the cobblestone generator. Okay, one of the challenges that Scott look is get 40 cobblestone and melt it. So that's what we are gonna do. But we need to get some. Actually, you know what? We shall get here, and there it is. So now we'll make a pickaxe so we can mine 40 cobblestone. Oh, I need. What? Oh, man. So, I want this to go right there, just like that. Closer to here, and here. You know what I'll do? I'll just get some pickaxe and stuff will be much easier. So get that here, get here. Okay, actually, the other day I forgot to tell you this, and I mentioned it on my other video, but I'll mention it here anyway because in the other day I filmed another episode of my Minecraft Let's Play and another skyblock, and then on that skyblock we just came here, did this and did this with one, but when we did that, YouTube they said YouTube, when I uploaded the video, it said that I could not make more videos than more 15 minutes because I don't know why, but if you want to know why, I ask YouTube because I don't know. So we are almost on 40 cobblestone, so get this here. And we're done. And we have 41. Good. Goody. Whoa. The fall. Wait. Eat the bread. Yeah. And we'll come back here. Take this. All of it. I don't care. All of it. So, let's get that up. There we go. Let's get a... Oh yeah. What I wanted to do also is I want to finish that monster spawning. I want monsters to spawn in the skyblock. No, really. I really want. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whoa! 2, 6. Oh crap. Yo! I think it will be enough for the wall today. Yeah! This is done! Okay... Let's just decorate this up. Oh, you can actually put it there. Oh, yeah. No. Let's break it. And we'll get some more trees so we can finish up our monster spawner with wooden planks. Look at mine. Okay. Do this. Break. Yep. Break this too. That's great. Let's go. Run! Let's make it small. Let's make it spawn zombie. No, zombie, no. Let's spawn. I want them to spawn spiders because we need wool, and I haven't figured out how to spawn animals here. Oh, I'm such a noob. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a noob. Oh crap. One. Yep. Goody. We have one? Yeah, we do. I think we just about to finish our monster spawner right away. In this episode. No, we're not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one little more. Get this up. Yeah! We have a monster spawner. That's right. Yeah. I just hope that those zombies spawn. Spawning zombies. Darkness. Spawning zombies. Zombie. No. Let's go. Let's chop this tree up. Chop. Yeah. Chop. What? Yep. Thank you for watching this video. Just if you like the video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. As always, leave a comment and subscribe, please. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next Skyblock